Okay, now you know all the parts of the violin and rest position. Next thing we need to learn is how to go to playing position. So, we need to wave our violin hand, which is our left hand, and take that hand to the bottom of the upper bout of your violin body. Get a nice firm hold there with your thumb on the back of the violin, and then we're going to bring the violin across our body over to our violin shoulder. And we're lifting our chin up as we go. And once you get there, go ahead and drop your chin down nice and comfortable on the chin rest. If it feels like your violin is secure, then you're ready to release your violin hand and bring it across to your bow shoulder. And that is playing position. Parents, it's good to practice playing position with your student until they can comfortably hold it for the duration of Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. So we'll try that now. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Great job. Now that we're done with that, we're going to bring our violin hand back to the shoulder and safely get our thumb on the back of the violin and bring it across our body and down to rest position. Great job.